First, take out of all items from the package. Package contains manual, monitor, bracket, camera, cigarette lighter adapter, test wire, antenna, power cord, relay, T-tags. Plug the cigarette lighter into the power outlet. Connect one end of the test wire to the cigarette lighter adapter. Connect one of the two ends of the DC test wires to the monitor. Connect the other end of the DC test wires to the camera. Press the red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. Test complete. Now disconnect all wires. Pick up the bracket. Loosen the nut and the bracket can be adjusted flexibly. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. You can tear off the protective film on the bottom of the bracket and install it on the dashboard. Press the bracket to expel the air. Pull down the exhaust buckle to fix it. Mounting the antenna on the monitor. Align the large notch on the back of the monitor. Push firmly into the small notch. Remove the protective film from the bracket. Place it on the dashboard or windshield. Press the bracket to expel the air. Pull down the exhaust buckle to fix it. After adjusting the angle of the monitor, tighten the nut. If you notice the image flickering when you connect the camera to your car's reversing lights, then you need to add relay for car brand VW, Dodge, Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz. The black wire is connected to the negative of the ground, reversing lights, tail lights or license plate lights. The red wire is connected to the positive of the reversing lights, tail lights or license plate lights. Connecting the camera to relay. Connect one end of the cigarette lighter adapter to the display. Plug the cigarette lighter into the power outlet. Press the red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. There are 5 keys on the back of the display: the minus key, the M key, the plus加 key, the CH key and the OK key. Press the minus key to turn on/off the guide line. When the guide line and H appear on the screen, press the plus key to adjust the height of the guide line. Press the minus key, the W appears in the screen. Press the plus key to adjust the width of the guide line. Press the minus key, the M appears in the screen. Press the plus key to move the guide line left and right. Press M key, and the letter disappears into the screen. Press M key to enter menu mode. The pairing icon is used to pair signals, and when there's a picture on that channel, it is not possible to enter pairing mode. Press the plus and minus keys to switch to the picture. Press OK key to confirm. Press OK key to select. Icon turns red. Press the plus and minus keys to adjust brightness. Press OK key to confirm. The icon turns yellow. Press the plus and minus keys to switch to the contrast HUE. Press OK key to confirm. Press the plus and minus keys to adjust contrast HUE. Press OK key to confirm. Press M key to return to the upper screen. Press the minus or plus key to switch to the mirror flip. Press OK key to confirm. The monitor is in mirror mode by default. Press the minus or plus to select the film image mode. Press M key to return to the upper screen. Press the minus or plus key to switch to the system. Press OK key to confirm. Press OK key to select. Icon turns red. Press the minus or plus key to choose the language you need. Press OK key to confirm. Format function is turned on. The monitor automatically restores factory settings and loss of signal. If you accidentally start it, now demonstrate how to pair the signals. Press CH to switch to the channel that needs to be paired with the signal. Press M key to enter menu mode. Press OK key to enter the pairing countdown. If the pairing is not successful, try reconnecting the camera's power at this step. The image appears on the screen, indicating that the pairing is successful. Press CH key to switch camera channels.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.